Hello, how you doing today? Welcome to another episode of Ubuntu and Open Source. Today I want to show you my laptop. My laptop is a Lenovo B560. It's running PCLinuxOS with an LXDE desktop environment. But I want to show you I did something neat to my laptop here. So I'm going to go full screen on this screenshot. And so this is the desktop. And this is the screenshot of my screen fetch. Now if you look at the CPU, right now, when I took the screenshot, it's reading an Intel Pentium P6200 with 2 cores at 2.133 gigahertz. So that's when I took the screenshot. And so now if I do a screen fetch, now the CPU reads an Intel Core i7 M620 at 4 cores, while it thinks it's 4 cores, at 2.667 gigahertz. Now, why does it think it's 4 cores when it's not? Well, let me show you why. The Pentium P6200 is 2 cores. Oops, let me go up a little bit. 2 cores. So if we go to the link, we can see it's formerly an Arendelle codename class. And we can see our performance here. It reads 2 cores and 2 threads at 2.133 gigahertz. So far, so good. If we go down to advanced technologies, there's lots of no's. No turbo boost, no vPro technology, no hyper-threading technology, and so on and so forth. There's lots of no's. You get to yes of Intel 64, yes. You get to instruction set 64 bits, and so on. So if we look at the list of i7 620M, it still says 2 cores. So what's happening here? So the Intel Core i7 620M processor, we see is still a codename Arendelle. And here we go. Performance, 2 cores. Number of threads, 4 threads. So when we come back here, we're not seeing 4 cores. We're seeing 4 threads. So I still get a performance boost of 4 threads of that are 2 core processor. I also get a performance boost of 2.1667 gigahertz. But there are other advantages that I get too. With advanced technologies, all of a sudden everything becomes a yes with the i7. vPro technology, yes. Hyper-threading technology, yes. In the virtualization technologies, they all become a yes. So I just thought I want to share that with you. If you know what you're doing, you can upgrade your laptop. This is a Lenovo B560. And I upgraded my CPU to a i7. Intel Core i7 M620. Thank you.